Before I get into all the supplies you're going to need for this wonderful DIY project, I want to point out this amazing product that I got on Lolivefe.com. It is a protective mat that you can put down on any surface if you don't have a studio space. So if you are creating on your kitchen table or your office desk, this is a great mat to put down to protect that surface and catch all your mist paint. The best part about it is it comes in all different shapes and sizes, so you can find the right one that's going to fit your surface. I also want to point out that there's a little bit of a stickiness to it, so it's going to stick to that surface without sliding around when you're creating. I was so impressed with this product that I reached out to the retailer and she's agreed to give all my students 10% off. And if you think that's great news, wait until you hear you're going to get 10% off all your products for this project. You can go on to the next lesson, get that discount code, and see what you're going to need to create this amazing DIY project.